quiet down with some pizza.
Thank you. Sorry about being, bunch of troubles, but
No trouble at all.
and he didn't appear to be. Yeah, I know. I always give him trouble. No, he didn't appear that cold, and suddenly you sit down and.
But you know what? I'd rather have this because I know this was a nice spot. But the sun after a while, but eating would have bothered me more than this. Sorry.
And the wind will die down probably
When you're done with the
about an hour and a half or so.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Can I grab you guys something to drink? We're still waiting on Nolan, actually.
Maybe you can give us a few more minutes. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, where are you guys going? What are you doing? The beer, no? Does someone want a beer?
You, man.
No?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll have one more and that's enough.
Do you want me? Is it? I don't know. I never had this. What is the frog? Is that the only thing you have on the draft?
Draft, yes.
Is
It's a
it good?
Dead Frog Pale Ale.
Oh, it's a pale ale. You have no Pilsner on draft?
This looks
I'm gonna go then anyway with the Stella Artois.
special when you were for me.
I don't know what you want. Also want Stella? This is kind of the beer man. So.